Hi. How's it going?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm doing fine, just a bit tired.
Long day?
Yeah, work was hectic.
I can imagine. By the way, I wanted to ask you something.
Sure, go ahead.
Have you ever taken recreational drugs?
No, never tried them. What about you?
Same here, never been interested in that stuff.
That's good to hear.
Yeah, I believe in staying away from anything risky.
Absolutely, it's better to be safe.
Plus, we've got better things to enjoy together, right?
Definitely. Like our upcoming trip.
Exactly, it's going to be amazing.
I can't wait.
Anyway, got any plans for the weekend?
Not yet, but we should make some.
Agreed, maybe catch a movie or just relax at home.
Both sound great to me.
Perfect. We'll figure it out as we go.
Sounds like a plan.
Alright, I'll let you get some rest now.
Thanks, talk to you tomorrow.
Of course, have a good night.
You too, bye.
Bye.